If you are tired of paying $500 a month to the utility company in 2026, you need to stop thinking of solar panels and high-efficiency HVAC as luxury upgrades. With the 2026 updates to the FHA 203K loan, you can now finance up to $75,000 in green upgrades directly into your home purchase or refinance. This means you can install a state-of-the-art solar array, a high-efficiency heat pump, and smart home insulation with just 3.5% down. The secret is that the bank calculates your loan based on the home's value after these upgrades are installed, which often creates instant equity as energy-efficient homes are in high demand. You can even combine these mortgage funds with the 2026 federal tax credits, essentially getting the government to pay for a third of your system while the bank finances the rest. Unlike expensive solar leases that can make a home hard to sell, these upgrades are fully owned by you and stay with the property, increasing its resale value. The limited 203K makes the process simple, requiring very little extra paperwork to turn a dated, drafty house into a modern, energy-independent fortress. As your broker, I can show you how the monthly savings on your electric bill can actually be larger than the small increase in your mortgage payment.